One.
Superhuman shot, really, this early.
Ball going here, finds a passage in and out of four. He's on this. This is outstanding again.
It is outstanding.
Fantastic shot.
That really is fabulous. He sussed it out and he couldn't play it any better. Candle onto that, onto that. You don't see that shot played every day of the week.
What a shot this is. What a shot that is.
Well, he's played the shot that I mentioned and he couldn't have played it any better.